everybody, Alyssa here, just hopping on really quickly to answer a question that I get from you all almost every day. One of the biggest questions is, where do I see the stain color options? And the best place to do that is on our website. If you go to www.limitlesswoodworking.com, hit the shop button and click on any design that you're interested in and look at the drop down that says finish options. There will be a question mark. If you click that button, up will pop up a PDF document with our stain color options. You will see a photo with the corresponding number. We offer 11 different stain color options and you can see them there. You can also see thousands and thousands of more photo examples on our Facebook and Instagram accounts. If you notice the hashtags, you'll see the stain number identified there as well as the size of the piece in the photo. That's very helpful when envisioning it in your own space. And lastly, to take all the guesswork out of the equation, you can always purchase stain samples from us. You can do that on our website as well. It's on page 1 under the shop button. You'll see a stain sample listing there. Just click on that, add to cart, and enter in which 4 colors you would like to receive in the mail. This really is the best option because you can see them in your home, in your space, with your lighting, your floor color, all of that. So it really is the best option. Thank you so much. If you have any other questions, you can email me at Alyssa, ALYSSA, at limitlesswoodworking.com. We are so grateful for your business and your interest. It means so much to our family, and we are so thankful. Have a great day. Bye.